Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we will discuss about new product development. As we have already discussed what is product, what are its various types in our earlier sessions. Today we will discuss what is new product. Now, before discussing new product, it is very much essential and important for all of us. Why new product? Business organizations develop new product due to certain reasons, such as the business organizations can't survive in current competitive environment with their existing and routine products because of changing business environment and customer demands. Therefore, in order to survive, business firms need to introduce new product or modify the existing products and services as per the need and want of the customers. The new product brings to the market by business firm must satisfy the customer's needs and wants, otherwise it is not beneficial for the firm as well as for the existing as well as the new customers. Similarly, business organization introduced new product to the market in order to enhance the net profitability of the organization, because new products are considered to be unique and there are high demand for new products. The new products have high demand in the market because they are developed as per the requirement of the customers. And another reason for new product development is that the changing environment creates new demand and need. Therefore, we have to always produce some innovative and creative products for the existing as well as for the new customer. Now, before discussing the new product, it is very much essential for us why some products fail and other succeeds. So there are various reasons for product failure. Products value or features did not match customer need, therefore they may get failed. Similarly, there is inefficient or inconsistent branding that fail to convey the right message or image to the customer. And there are some technological as well as design problems with the existing products. That's why they also get failed. And the product may be launched at a very poor timing in the market, and the overall estimation of market size may not have been estimated properly by the organization. Similarly, there may be some inefficient promotional efforts by the organization, due to which the new product or the existing product may get failed. And the last is there may be insufficient distribution efforts by the company. That's why also the product may get failed. Therefore, we have to manage the existing product. Now, after analyzing the various reasons for the failure of a particular product or service, we have to go for managing the existing product, because if we are able to manage the existing product, then it will be much more beneficial for us to cater the need of the existing customers for a longer duration of time. The existing product can be managed with the help of line extension. Line extension means development of a product that is closely related to the existing product in the line but meets different customer needs. And it is a less expensive, low risk alternative, because we are not investing too much capital in line extension of the existing product. Then we can also focus on the same or a new product segment. And if we are focusing on a new product segment, which means we are again going for the development of a new product or service. Similarly, it can be used to counter the competing products also, and many of the new products are really an example of line extension only. The existing product can also be managed with the help of product modification strategy also, if you are not going for line extension. The product modification means it is a change in one or more characteristic of the existing product and the elimination of original product from the product line. It helps in product modification, and we can go for certain fewer and lesser modification in the existing product, which will again attract the existing customer for purchasing or using the product for a longer duration of time. Like for example, we have a product in detergent powder category which is known as Tide. That Tide can be modified by simply adding a new chemical which will enhance the washing quality of the product. And if we are saying tied with bleach, it means the customer will be able to see that something new has been provided to the customer, and that product is much more beneficial in terms of quality value, and that customer will definitely go for purchasing that product. Means we have not completely changed the existing product, we have done certain fewer modification in the existing product. Then customers must be able to perceive modification has been really made. Means we are not simply communicating in terms of promotion to the customer that we have done modification. Those modification must be visible to the customer in real terms, then only we will be able to satisfy the customer's need. Then the modified products are more closely satisfying the customer needs and wants, then only we will be able to manage the existing product for a longer duration of time. The product modification can also be done with the help of certain quality modifications in the existing product. Quality modification means changes in the material which we are using for the existing product, or the production processes which are related to a product's dependability and durability for a longer duration of time. Means we can change the method of producing a particular product. We can go for an advanced or an innovative technology with the help of which we can make the existing product more attractive, more durable for the customers. Now, if we are doing the quality modification, we are going for reducing quality to offer a lower price to the customer. Means we are providing better quality, but we are not charging more from the customers. Similarly, it increases if we are increasing the quality to gain a competitive advantage, it means we are able to satisfy the existing customer again for a longer duration of time. Then we can also go for product modification with the help of functional modification in the existing product. The functional modification means changes that affects the product's versatility, effectiveness, convenience in use, or safety. Usually it requires a redesign of the product. Means we are changing the existing design of the product and we are going for a new or innovative or a creative design which may be able to attract the customers. Then we can also go for aesthetic modification. Aesthetic modifications means we are not changing the design or the uses of the product, but we are simply changing the sensory appeal of the product. Sensory appeal means which simply attracts the customer by the outer appearance of the product or the brand. And we are simply changing or altering the taste, texture, sound, smell, or appearance of the existing product. The product modification is a very beneficial strategy for all the organization or all the manufacturing concern, because it involves lesser cost and we can cater the existing customer for a longer duration of time by involving low capital and other resources. Now, apart from doing all this, we can also go for new product development, because if after doing certain modification, changes, creativity, innovation in the existing product, we know that we will not be able to survive for a longer duration of time, and definitely we have to go for producing new product and services with reference to the market, with reference to changing want, demand of the customer, or with reference to the existing competition in the market. And after analyzing all these variables and factors, we must go for developing new product. The new products have certain benefits from the existing products or the modified product, like it enhances the product mix. Product mix means the overall product line and width can be changed. And if you are able to provide a number of options to the customers, then definitely the customer will stay with the brand or the product. Similarly, we can increase the depth of the product line and we can provide more options for the customers so that they can satisfy their needs and requirements in a much more beneficial way. They can also be able to attract the new customer by providing new products, because the new product will definitely be much more better in terms of all aspects and variables from the existing product. And last, the increased market and customer share will also be there if we are going for a new product or service development. Now, before developing the new product, we must also take care of all those risk factors or variables which are associated with new product, because if we are saying ki developing new product will increase our market share, will increase our profitability, revenues, customer base, then we must also go for the negative side of the customer of the aspect. Negative side means if we are saying ki everything will be good, then definitely there are certain disadvantages may also be associated with new product development. Disadvantages or risk factor. Risk means, first of all, developing a new product is a expensive initiative, which means it involves capital, it involves resources, it involves development of new technology, and if we don't have the technology, definitely we will have to go for technology transfer or technology collaborative type of initiatives. Then it also creates risk of market failure, and if market failure occurs with the new product, then there will definitely be a question mark on our brand image also. And it is a loss of market share without a new product development. Loss of market share means if we are developing a new product and that new product is not successful in the market in terms of customer satisfaction, in terms of market share increase, in terms of increasing the profitability or revenue, then whatever market share or profitability we have, that may also get lost from the organization. So, after analyzing all the benefit and risk variables associated with new product development, the organization may plan developing a new product for for the company or for the customers. Now, the new product development has certain phases. Like its first phase is idea generation. Then we have screening of the ideas. After screening the idea, the organization will go for concept testing. Then we will go for business analysis. Business analysis means whatever concept we have decided or we are going for, that have a business feasibility or not. Then after analyzing the business, the product will be developed for test marketing phase, and finally we will go for commercialization of new product. Now we will take one by one all the phases which are required or needed in the development of new products and services. First of all, we have idea generation. Idea generation means seeking product ideas to achieve the overall objective of the organization. Now, these ideas can be generated or these ideas can be incorporated with the help of two sources. One is internal sources and the other is the external sources of ideas. Internal sources includes marketing manager, researchers, sales personnel, and engineers, which are directly or indirectly associated with development as well as promotions or sales of the existing products. And these are those individuals or institutions who are in direct touch with the customer and they better knows what is lacking in the existing product and what better can be done for the new product initiatives. Like the marketing managers, they are the people who are very much concerned about developmental ideas related to the products and they are very much in touch with the market scenarios also, so they can provide better ideas for the development of new product. Similarly, researchers are also individuals who are continuously doing new initiatives in the development of ideas, so we can also get some beneficial and unique concept from the researchers or the independent research institutions. Sales personnel is an individual or a group of individual who is in direct touch with the customer, and the salesperson knows better what the customer expectations are, whether the organization is able to fulfill the customer expectation with the existing product, what is lacking in the existing product due to which the customer is not ready to buy or use the existing products or services of the organization, and how we can cater the requirement of the customer so that we will be able to get more revenues or we will be able to increase our market share with the help of new products. Similarly, we have engineers also who are very much important and involved in the design and development concepts of the product. They may provide ideas related to technology involved, what type of technology, what creativity is required, and what innovative designs can be provided to the customer so that they get attracted to the new products. Then we have external sources, which are customers, competitors, advertising agencies, consultants, and the new product alliances. Now, customer is an individual. The customer may be the household customer also, as well as the customer may be business customers also. And when we are talking about new product development, we are developing product for the purpose of individual or the household customers. Household customer have different expectation from the products. Its usability, how it looks, what it provides to the overall satisfaction of the customer level. And by taking the ideas from the customer, we can go for a better development of new products and services. Similarly, we have competitors also, which are producing similar or substitute products and services. And those competitors can also provide valuable inputs in terms of idea generation for the purpose of new product development and services. Although the competitors will be least interested in providing ideas because we are competitor and we should not provide valuable inputs, because if we are providing valuable inputs to the competitor, it means we are simply helping them to grow their market, and it generally doesn't happens in the corporate or in the business world. Then we have advertising agencies. Advertising agencies are very much essential as they are involved in promotional messages, development of promotional content. Similarly, they are also involved in development of promotional contents and messages for the competitors also. So they can also provide us valuable inputs what will be better to attract the customer in terms of promotional messages, because the interaction of the customer with the product is secondary. First of all, they will be interacted with the promotional message, and with the help of the promotional messages, the customer will be able to know what content we are delivering, what product we are delivering, what are its attributes, where it is available, and how it will be able to satisfy the need and demand of the existing as well as the new customers. Then we have new product alliances also. They will also be able to provide some valuable ideas because they are working in diversified field in product development category. Now, after taking ideas from internal and external sources, we will go for next step. And the next step consists of screening the ideas. Screening the ideas means now we have collected a number of ideas or concepts with the help of internal and external sources, but all those ideas may not be relevant, may not be promising. So what we have to do is we have to take out the most promising ideas from all the internal and external sources. Promising means the idea which will best suit our new product development initiative. And we should be concerned more about cannibalization of the existing product. Cannibalization means whether our product is competing with the existing product of the organization, or whether there is n number of similar or substitute products available in the market. So how our new product will be able to compete with all those products which the competitors have or which we already have. Like we can take the example of Hindustan Unilever Limited, which provides n number of FMCG products in the market, and most of the products are competing with their own product or with their own brand. So here we have to take care of, if we are producing the same product category in the existing product line, then it will be very much difficult for us to justify the new product development initiative. Then we can also go for identifying the company capabilities to produce and market the product. Whether we will be able to produce the new product or not, there is a question mark here. Question mark means if we don't have the technology with the help of which we will be able to produce the new product, then definitely we will have to go for technology transfer or technological collaboration with some of the firm. And if we are thinking about the same, then definitely we have to identify which firm can provide us the best possible technology which will be able to satisfy our new product development initiative. Then if we are not able to market the new product, then definitely there will be a loss of capital and all other initiatives which are putting in new product development category. Then we have one more thing which is very much essential in our screening category. We, before going to the third stage, we must identify all those possibilities with the help of which we can produce better quality product by involving lesser amount of capital and lesser amount of resources. Then only we will be able to generate more profitability or revenues. Now, coming on to the third step of new product development, after analyzing the screening of internal and external ideas, we will go for concept testing. Concept testing means seeking the potential buyers' responses to a product idea. Means we have to take the feedback from the buyers that whatever we are developing in terms of product and services for the new customers as well as for the existing customer, that idea will be productive or not, or that idea will be giving us better response or not. And by doing so, we will be able to identify that what amount of cost will be involved. And as I already told, that low cost determination of initial reaction of a product idea is very much important, because if we are involving higher amount of cost or capital in development of any new product, and in case it does not becomes a successful product in the existing market, then definitely there will be losses to the organization. So we have to take care of the investment aspects also. Then we also have to identify all the important product attributes and benefits which we will be delivering in terms of new product or services. Attributes and benefits means what type of product we are providing, what variants will be able to provide, what will be the design of the product, what will be the line extension, what actual benefit the product will be delivering to the customers, what will be the warranty or guarantee aspects related to the product, what after sales initiatives the organization will take for successful market profitability of the product or staying in the market for a long duration of time. So we have to take care of all the attributes and the related benefits which the product will be delivering, because if the product is not able to deliver the expected benefit to the customer, definitely we will not be able to become a successful product in the market for a long term. Then after doing the concept testing, we will go for the next step, which consists of business analysis. Business analysis means assessing the potential of a product idea for the firm's sales, cost, and profit related variables. Now we have three terms here. One is sales, the second is cost, and the third is profit. Sales means, does the product fits in with existing product mix or not? If the product doesn't fits in the existing product mix, then definitely we have to go for some other diversification strategies also. Then, is the demand is strong enough to enter the market or not? If the demand is not very strong, then chances of success are very low. So we have to forecast the demand before going for new product development. Then how will introducing the product changes the market? What will be the effect of new product in the market? What the competitor will feel? What better strategies or what type of strategies the competitor may come up with? Or what will be the overall effect on the profitability or on the growth and development of the organization in terms of new product development? Then, is the firm capable of developing the new product or not? If the firm is not able to develop the new product on its own, we can go for collaboration. We can also go for alliances. We can also go for merging with some organization who is much more uh, better in terms of technology initiative, in terms of resources, in terms of promotional contents and all this. Then finally, what are the costs for developing and marketing? Means what cost will be involved in development of new product and how much we have to put in terms of capital for marketing the new product. Because as we all know that if we have to make our new product more successful in the market, or we have to establish the product for a long term duration, definitely we will have to put more efforts and initiatives in our promotional contents. We have to be very much strong in terms of our advertisement. We have to be very much strong in terms of our marketing mix strategies. After analyzing the business related aspects of the new product, we will go for product development. Now, product development means determining if producing a product is feasible and cost effective. Means if we are going for manufacturing a new product or developing a new product, it will be feasible for us, for the organization, for the market or not, and what will be the cost effectiveness of developing the product. Cost effectiveness means whether we will be able to generate substantial amount of revenue from that product or not. And if we are not able to generate substantial amount of profit from the new product, it means it is not a successful strategy for developing the new product or services. And developing the product means first we have to go for construction of prototypes. Prototypes means the working models we have to develop before making the final product or before giving a final shape to the new product. And by developing such prototypes, we can test them in the market or in the real life situation with respect to their performance, with respect to their attractiveness in terms of design, in terms of color, in terms of labeling and all those things. We can also go for testing of the prototypes overall functionality, means we have to develop such type of models or prototypes which will be able to function as per the new product or as per the real product. Then determining the level of product quality means what type of quality we will be providing to the customer, because if we are talking about new product or about the services, quality is the most important variable among all the things. And if we are not putting better quality to the product, it means the customer will not appreciate our initiatives. Then we will also have to take care of branding of the product, packaging of the product, what type of packaging will be involved or what type of packaging will be used for the new product. And labeling aspects will also have to take care of, because product packaging and product labeling are the most important things which we have to take care of, because the first interaction of the customer is with the labeling and the packaging aspects only. Then we can also take care of pricing, what price we have to put on the product, which means the what will be the maximum retail price after analyzing the fixed and the variable cost and all those related factors. And the promotion decisions are also important, means what type of promotion methods we will be using for promoting our products and services, what frequency of promotions will be there, which method of promotion will be best suitable, whether we have to go for print media, audio visuals, internet, word of mouth publicity, references. We must have to analyze all those factors before taking decision on promotional methods. Now, after taking the product development step, we will go for the next step, which consists of the test marketing phase. The test marketing phase means now we have already designed the prototype or the working model of our new product, and by test marketing we are simply introducing a product on a limited basis. Limited basis means we are not manufacturing the product on commercial basis, we are simply manufacturing the product on a very limited basis just to test market the product. And after analyzing the feedback or responses from the test market, we will decide whether we have to go for commercialization of the product or not. And this test marketing also helps us in taking out the potential feedback from the existing product or from those existing customers or from those customers which we are expecting to buy our product or avail our services. Now we have to launch a sample of entire marketing mix. Entire marketing mix means it will be a combination of product, price, place and promotion. Means where we have to launch, where we have to test market our product so that we will be able to get better feedback from the market. And for that we have to identify such locations where we can get good customer base, and those customers which will be able to provide better feedback, honest feedback in real terms. Then only we will be able to do necessary modification or changes in our new product. Then we also have to listen the risk of larger market failure. Larger market failure means if we are not going for test marketing and simply we are going for commercialization of the product, then we will not be able to identify what fault, what damage the new product can create in our market. So we have to have the test marketing phase in our new product development strategy. Then it is expensive. Stimulated test marketing is an alternative. Suppose if we are going for full commercialization of product, then it will definitely be expensive because we are putting all our efforts, all our resources in new product development. New product development launch and its commercialization means we are simply providing that product to the customer for final uses. And if we are not going for test marketing, then it may be a failure in some cases. So simulated test marketing is the best alternative before launching the final product. Now, after test marketing, we have to go for commercialization. Commercialization means now we have taken feedback from the market, feedback from the existing as well as feedback from the new customer. And after taking the feedback, we will make necessary or required or needed modification in our product, and then we will make the final product for final uses to the customer. Now, the commercialization means deciding on full scale manufacturing and marketing plans and preparing the budget for new product development. Now we have certain very important aspects here. Full scale manufacturing means we are going for commercialization or mass commercialization of the product or mass manufacturing. Then marketing plans means we have to make all such strategies related to product development, their pricing strategies, their promotional strategies, and the locational aspects also, means where we will have to market or place the product in the initial stages. Or we can also plan for a global launch of the product if we are satisfied from the test marketing feedback which we have already taken from the market. Then in commercialization, we can also go for modifications indicated by test marketing, and they are incorporated in the initial stages before making the final product design. Then we can also go for marketing, distribution aspects and servicing planning, which we have to finalize in the initial stages, because marketing means we are now here taking care of all the promotional measures, promotional strategies. Distribution means what type of network we have to develop or what type of network we have to adopt for our product, making available to the product to the final consumers. If we are going for FMCG type of products like fast moving consumer goods, which requires intensive type of distribution, then definitely the distribution network will be very much elaborate. But if we are going for durable type of product, we can also opt for selective or exclusive type of distribution, which means we does not require n number of distribution points or n number of selling points for making the product available to the final consumer. So we have to take care of marketing, distribution, and service planning means what type of after sales services we will be providing to our customers. We will be providing to those customers who have purchased our product. It includes the warranty issues, guarantee issues, how many free services will be included, what unique we are providing to the customer in terms of after sales services, how we will be able to solve various complaints, grievances, disputes related to the product, related to the customer dissatisfaction. Now, after commercialization of the product, we have to go for certain related or additional strategies which will add on to the overall benefits of the new product or the new services which the organization is planning to create. Now, these product differentiation through quality, design, and support services. Product differentiation means we are simply creating and designing products so that customer perceive them as different from the competing products or from the competitor's product. And these product differentiations are also mandatory because there is a perceived difference in product quality, product design, its features, and product support services. Similarly, branding sometimes also creates a differentiation among the products and services, as it is a crucial way to differentiate a product from its competitor. Similarly, we can also go for product differentiation in terms of product quality, or what type of product quality the company or the organization is providing with reference to products as well as the services, which includes the overall characteristic of a product that allows it to perform as expected in satisfying customer needs. And the level of quality is the relative amount of quality a product possesses, and the consistency of quality is the degree to which the product has the same level of quality over a period of time. So, if a company is providing a good quality, or a renowned brand is providing you a quality product or quality services, then definitely the chances of getting success are more with reference to competitor, with reference to the related or the substitute products and services available in the market. The product differentiation can again be created with reference to or with respect to product design and features also. Design and feature means what design the company is planning to produce for the new product. Now, the designing aspect include how a product is conceived, planned, and produced. And good design also provides a strong competitive advantage over the competitors' products and services. Similarly, the customer typically desires product with good design and that functions well. If the design is good, but it is very much typical or it is critical in terms of usage, then we will not appreciate the design. Now, the product differentiation can also be created with the help of product support services. Product support services includes customer services such as the human or the mechanical efforts or activities that will add value to a product. It also includes delivery of and installation of the product, means how the dealer or the distributor or the retailer is delivering the product to the customer, what type of technology, what methodology they are adopting for delivering the product to the customers, because it adds on value to the customer satisfaction. It also includes installation, whether the company is providing you a benefit of free installation or not. It also includes financing, customer training, warranties, guarantees, repairs, as well as online product information, because all these attributes will add on the satisfaction level of the customer towards the product as well as the services which the organization is providing to the customers. And finally, what uh, is the competitive advantage when all other product features are equally matched by the competitor. Therefore, apart from the physical product or apart from the services, if we are focusing much more on product support services, they can add value to the overall product attribute, and definitely adding value will enhance the overall market growth as well as profitability of the organization. Now, after going for product differentiation with various types of necessary aspects or strategies, we can also go for product positioning and repositioning. Product positioning and repositioning means, first we will take care of product positioning, means how we are positioning our products and services in the mind of the customers. Now, please be careful. We are saying in the mind of the customer, because if we are able to position our product and services in the mind of the customer successfully, definitely we will be able to create a different type of segment or market in the mind of customer, which will help us in generating long term profitability from the customer again and again. And this product positioning can be created and maintain a certain concept of product with reference to customers mind. And a product's position also results from customers perception of a product attribute, how the customer is perceiving the product, how because that product is able to satisfy the expected benefits or values which the customer is expecting from that particular product. And most of the marketers emphasizes characteristics most desired by the target market or segments in terms of advertising. Now, apart from positioning, we will also take care of repositioning strategies. Repositioning strategy means here we will take care of certain other attributes with respect to positioning. Suppose sometimes it happens that due to some modification, changes, or whatever innovations we are trying to put in our product or services, we create some error in terms of positioning our product in the mind of the customers, and that repositioning will help us in solving that error from the mind of the customer or from the overall product positioning strategies. Now, repositioning means adjusting a product's present position, and it can strengthen or increase its market share as well as the overall profitability. Repositioning is simply accomplished by changing the product's features, price, its distribution strategies, or the overall image of the brand or the product. Similarly, it also adds product to the line may be necessitate the repositioning of the older product which we were providing to the market or to the customers earlier before producing the new product or services. And the repositioning will help us in making our market much more stronger in terms of product appreciation, in terms of generating revenues. So students, today we have discussed what is a new product, why new product is required, how we can go for modifying the existing product line, extension of the existing product line, and if at all such type of modifications are not working for a long-term growth and profitability of the organization, definitely we will have to go for development of new products and services. New product and services are simply developed, designed, and commercialized for the customer as well as for the market. And after commercialization, we have to work on various types of differentiation strategies also, so that the product will cater the requirement of the customers for a long-term duration. That's all for today's class. We will meet again with a new topic in the next session. Have a nice day.